Question number 6 of exercise 13.1. In a model of a ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high. This is called the mast. In the model of the ship, not the actual ship but the model of a ship. So obviously the model is going to be very small. So in the model of the ship, the mast is 9 centimeter high, while the mast of the actual ship is 12 meter high. If the length of the ship, the actual ship, if its length is 28 meter, how long is the model ship? So there are two ships. One is the actual ship and the another one is the model of that ship. Now there are two things, model ship and actual ship. We'll first make the table. Children, in each of the question make the table, then only it will be easy for you to do the question. So there is model ship and actual ship. First of all, their mast is been compared. The mast of the model ship is 9 centimeter and of the actual is 12 meter. Okay. Now the length of the actual ship is given. It is given 28 meter. And now we have to find out the model ship. So what is the missing value? X2, X1, X2, Y1, Y2. You know how to find out the missing value. Question number 7. Suppose 2 kg of sugar contains 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals. You all must have seen the crystals of the sugar. Now there are 9 into 10 to the power 6 crystals in 2 kgs of the sugar. How many sugar crystals are there in 5 kg of the sugar? Second part, in 1.2 kg of the sugar. So in this question again we will make the table. The sugar is given in weight and then the crystals. Okay, there are two things, crystals of sugar and weight of the sugar. Now first of all, it is given that the weight is 2 kg and the crystals are how many? 9 into 10 to the power 6. They are asking how many crystals will be there in 5 kg and then in 1.2 kg of the sugar. Okay, these are the things. So see, with the table it is very easy that what we have to actually find. So let's write down. This is Y2 and this is Y3 which is missing. Let's compare these two first. Okay, because this is completely given. You can't compare these two because both have one missing quantity. So X1 upon Y1, and X2 upon Y2. X1 and Y1 are 2 upon 9 into 10 to the power 6 and Y2 is 5 upon Y2. Let's do cross multiplication. 2 into Y2 is equals to 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 6. Y2 is equals to 5 into 9 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2. Let's first multiply because no, you can't, and don't cut this 2 with this 10 with this 2. Don't cut that. Okay, it has power. You can't divide like this. 9 5s are 45 into 10 to the power 6 upon 2. Now with this 2, cut this. Okay. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 0.25s are 10. This will come 22.5 into 10 to the power 6. Now we have done chapter exponents and power and we know that in exponents and power, according to the standard form, the decimal should be after first digit. So 2.25 into 10 to the power. As we have shifted the decimal, here the power will increase. So it will become 2 to the power 7. Okay. So crystals, these are the crystals. Similarly, now you can compare the first and the third one, or you can compare the second and the third one. Now question number 8. Rashmi has a road map with a scale of 1 centimeter representing 18 kilometer. She drives on the road for 72 kilometer. What would be her distance covered in the map? Now some people while driving, they carry the map. Now map shows the distance and everything in centimeter, because in kilometer they can't show, such big map we can't have. So how the map shows, what is the scale of the map? The scale of the map is 1 centimeter represents 18 kilometer. Whenever the 18 kilometer is covered on road, it shows 1 centimeter on the map. Okay, so we have two things, map and distance in map and distance in road. There are two things. distance covered in map and distance covered on road. Sorry, here on will come. So how much distance is covered in map? 1 centimeter, and on the road it is 18 kilometer. Now actually the driver, that is Rashmi, has covered 72 kilometer. How much it will be on the map? The missing number is x2. Now you know how to find out the missing number.